Hi guys, so last weekend हम JB गए थे. JB is Johor Bahru in Malaysia and it is like 1 hour from Singapore and it was a long weekend, so we decided to go there for a day. 10 friends joined in, so we're like total of 3 couple. So we booked a proper 4 BHK apartment Airbnb and we stayed there, and it was a really good spacious 4 BHK very aesthetic apartment, and we really enjoyed our stay there, and we ate a lot of good food, we shopped a lot, and I am very happy about it. And it was like a very refreshing vacation. By the way, I had like 2 full body massages. It was so rejuvenating. Oh my god, if you haven't checked out my full vlog, I have created a full vlog giving you complete guide on where to shop, what to eat, and we are vegetarian and we managed to find a lot of good Jain food also, so I have given a lot of recommendations around that in my vlog, so do check it out. I will leave a link somewhere here on the screen. In that video I promised you guys that I will show you everything that I bought from this trip, and here I am. So the first thing I bought is this really cool pair of jeans. Now I was on a lookout for a good jeans for such a long time. It's been almost 1.5 years. I was looking for that one pair of jeans that I can wear with everything, which is like, you know, basic, which fits really nice and the material is comfortable, and I wasn't able to find any. And yeah, I just randomly stumbled upon this jeans on my first day. Like, we were about to end our shopping and we went to just Brands Outlet just to take a final stroll through, and I came across these jeans. I tried it on and instantly I was like, let's purchase it. It was as low as 50 ringgit, which is like $17 or $18, but it's completely worth that money. The fit and the material is very nice, very comfortable. I just love this pair of jeans and I'm going to wear this on everything. I don't have a picture of me wearing this jeans, but I bought it on the first day, and on the second day I already wore it also in JB itself. So yeah, this is the first purchase and this is from the Brands Outlet. The second item we bought is this shirt. It's in army green color and it's a loose fit shirt. It's in XL size. I could have fit into L or medium size also, but that would have been really fitted, and I am not a tight clothes kind of person. I really like loose comfortable clothes, so I always go for sizes bigger than my original size. So yeah, this is the shirt and it's quite comfortable, like a very soft material and loose fit. And it's not a cotton shirt, so I feel that it will be very durable, because when you wash the cotton material it gradually fades over time, but like this kind of synthetic materials, it tends to like be usable for a longer period of time. The color doesn't fade. The second thing we bought is for Mehul. This is from this store called Padini that I have recommended in my full vlog also. It's a very nice store. The clothing items there are really amazing and the pricing of the products is quite reasonable. So if you wish to like go for like affordable shopping in JB, that's a must check out store. But yeah, this is the t-shirt we bought for Mehul and it was on offer. It was around 30 ringgit, so that's around 10 Singapore dollars. But look at the colors, like it has ombre design, so on top it's more like purple and then it gradually converts to red. And we really loved the material and fit of this t-shirt. Like, it's not a very thin jersey material, it's quite a thick jersey material and it's quite comfortable on the skin. I just wish the color doesn't fade. The next item is this top. This is my favorite of all the clothing items I bought, and this is a knitted kind of top, and it's quite a thick material. It's not very thin material, but because of the pattern of this, it can be worn in hot and humid Singapore weather also. It's a long sleeve top, but on both the sides of the sleeve it has a whole kind of pattern, and I got it for around 70 ringgit, so that's around 23 or 24 Singapore dollars. But I found the quality of this one to be really good. This is again from Padini. The next item is a casual t-shirt, and it's this one. This is a waffle pattern t-shirt, and I just loved the color and the print on it. It can be worn with blue jeans, like the blue jeans that I bought. This t-shirt goes really well with that one, and it can be worn with the black pants also. And it was not very expensive. It was on some offer, so I got it for around 8 Singapore dollars, so that's a really good deal. Next up, I have bought 2 pairs of shoes from this brand called Vinci. I have recommended that brand also in my haul, and this is the first pair of shoes. I mean, look at the color and pattern of these shoes. The sole is really soft, so it's quite comfortable, and I'm more into flats because in Singapore we have to walk around a lot whenever we go out, so I don't prefer heels. I usually prefer flats, and mostly I have been purchasing shoes after coming to Singapore because shoes are more comfortable than like chappals. But I really couldn't resist purchasing this color. It's like, although it's yellow color, but I was wearing like a orange top with a jeans, and this looked very good on that one also. Then I tried it on other dress on the next day, and it was going on that also. So I really feel that although it's a bright color, it would like easily pair with a lot of different clothes. So usually our mindset is like black or white or neutral colors would only go with a lot of clothes, but that's not the case. Sometimes it's good to experiment and I am usually not very good with shoe shopping. I just go for like classic designs or like normal shoes. I don't experiment a lot with my footwear, but this time I had gone with my friends, and my friend suggested I try this out, and I really love it. I told her next time onwards I am going for shoe shopping only with her because she's really good with choosing shoes. Okay, anyway, the next item is again another pair of shoes, and this was not on sale. This is normal black Gladiators, and I never wore any Gladiators, so the sole is very soft, and I love this golden detailing on the toe, and my toes are wider, so I am usually very scared to experiment with chappals that only has like thin straps like this. But this one has really good support on this part, which is like the upper part of my feet. So I thought, okay, let's give it a go, and this was also on a really good price. Although it was not on offer, it was around 20 Singapore dollars. And now we move on to lingerie and accessories. But okay, before that, I also stocked up on my micellar water because my the Garnier micellar water in pink variant was like is about to get over, so I had to like stock it up. And usually the cosmetics and skincare products are a bit cheaper in Johor Bahru than Singapore. I saw this new variant, so I thought of giving it a shot, and it was around $8 to $9. And I found amazing offer from Young Hearts on 2 pairs of shapewear. So I got one in this nude color. This is like double lined on top, and another pair I got. So this one is more in synthetic material, and this one is more like cottony material, but I got it in dark color to wear under dark clothes. And yeah, this one I feel like it wouldn't be very long lasting because of the kind of material that is used. Again, on top this is doubly lined, and on bottom this is like a very soft single layer material. But anyway, I got a very good deal on this one. I got 2 for 60 ringgit, so around $10 for each pair. And then I bought some jewelry from Vinci again. So both these footwears are also from Vinci, the ones I showed you, the yellow one and the black Gladiators, and from the same brand but from a different mall. So first we had gone to Mid Valley South Key Mall in JB, and that one had a really good collection of footwear. And then the next day we went to another mall that's called Comtar JBCC, which also has a Vinci outlet. And Vinci is the affiliate brand of Padini. So most of the clothing items I have bought from Padini, and this one is more specific to footwear, accessories like bags, sunglasses, jewelry, all those things. So in the Komta JBCC Vinci outlet, I found really good collection of jewelry, and all these were like gold plated jewelry. So I got this very nice delicate bracelet, and it's a gold plated one, but it was quite reasonably priced. It looks something like this, like it has like small beads all around. So this is the bracelet I got, and then I got another bracelet from the same store, and it has like very small cute little charms on it. It looks something like this. It has double chain, so would be really nice. And then I got one necklace which is like this. It looks something like this. It has very small like heart shaped studs all over it, and on the chain also there are studs. So this can be worn on western wear as well as traditional wear. And that's about it. That's the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did so, please share, like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and that will motivate me to make more such videos for you guys. And I really hope I have helped someone through this video. And yeah, stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.